We're going to walk you through the installation of the JLT Oil Separator for your 5.7 liter Hemi Charger, Challenger, and 300C. Included in the JLT kit is an oil separator with hoses pre-installed, mounting bracket, mounting screws, and mounting bolt. Tools you'll need for installation is a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and a pair of pliers. You're going to need to remove this engine cover. To do that, just grab the edges of it and pull up. It's in 4 rubber grommets. This is our Pcv hose we're going to need to remove. This is stuck in here pretty good, so what I do is I grab a pair of pliers, and you just want to twist on this rubber section to break that free, and do the same like so. We're going to need to rotate this fitting here, so take your pliers and just break that free and spin that around. This is our mounting hole. It has this plastic pin in it for now. So just grab it and wiggle that pin out, and then that's our threaded hole for our bolt. Grab your JLT mounting bracket and the mounting bolt. Go and install that. Loosely. I'm going to take our can and go and get it mounted to our bracket. Tighten up those screws. Now go ahead and make your connections. That'll plug in right there. Your short line to the 90. And once it's how it wants to be, take your ratchet and tighten that bolt up. Grabbing your engine cover, notice the back, there's 4 grommets that this sits in. This can be pretty tricky to get on. It sits in the 4 stands. So just try to line up your back two with your oil cap, and then you just got to give it a good pop. She's on.